The question is, with which country did India resume postal services? Answer: USA. The question is, who became the first transgender member of the Supreme Court Committee? Answer: Akai Padmasli. The question is, which state topped the Mining Preparedness Index? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. The question is, what is the name of India's fourth Antarctic research station? Answer: Maitri 2. The question is, where was the AI Impact Summit organized ahead of India AI 2026? Answer: Uttarakhand. The question is, with whom was the Ramanujan Junior Researchers Program launched? Answer: UK. The question is, at which place did President Murmu become the first woman president to worship? Answer: Sabrimala Ayyappa Temple. The question is, from where was Operation Fire Trail conducted to stop smuggling? Answer: China. The question is, where was the first AI-powered integrated command control center started? Answer: Tirumal, Andhra Pradesh. The question is, where was the Iron Age burial site discovered? Answer: Tenkasi, Tamil Nadu. The question is, where was the Bathukamma festival setting Guinness records held? Answer: Hyderabad, Telangana. The question is, who led the panel for next-gen reforms? Answer: Rajiv Gauba. The question is, where did SAIL Industries launch its first solar project? Answer: Rajasthan. The question is, from what sources did the government allow ethanol production? Answer: sugarcane juice, syrup, molasses. The question is, in which states was Operation Rahat launched by the Indian Army to provide flood relief? Answer: Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and J&K. The question is, where was the chemical laboratory inaugurated at the National Testing House located in? Answer: Ghaziabad. The question is, which ID has been made mandatory by the CBSE for students of classes 9 to 12? Answer: Aadhaar ID. The question is, which city is considered the safest for women in the country? Answer: Kohima. The question is, who has been elected as the 15th Vice President of India? Answer: C.P. Radhakrishnan. The question is, where was India's first overseas Atal Innovation Center inaugurated? Answer: United Arab Emirates. The question is, where was the world's first bamboo ethanol plant inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi? Answer: Assam. The question is, the digital hallmarking system launched by the government in collaboration with Huid is for which jewelry? Answer: for silver jewelry. The question is, who organized the National Workshop on National Multidimensional Poverty Index, NPI? Answer: Niti Aayog and UNDP. The question is, what is the purpose of the web portal launched for Special Operations 5.0? Answer: institutionalize cleanliness in government offices. The question is, who has been appointed the first woman Vice-Chancellor of Indira Gandhi National Open University? Answer: Professor Uma Kanjilal. The question is, what is the target set by the Government of India in 2025 under the Smart Village Mission? Answer: 100 new smart villages. The question is, what is the name of India's largest 4.5 kilometers long freight train that was successfully trial run by Indian Railways? Answer: Rudrastra. The question is, which state or union territory has the first assembly in India to run on solar energy? Answer: Delhi. The question is, which is the first fully digitally literate state of India? Answer: Kerala. The question is, how many medals did India win in the 66th International Mathematical Olympiad, IMO, 2025? Answer: 3 gold, 2 silver and 1 bronze medals. The question is, where was the announcement made to establish India's first Hindi medium MBBS college? Answer: Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. The question is, when did Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar resign from his post? Answer: 21st July 2025. The question is, which city stood first and second in the category of cities with a population of more than 10 lakh in the Super Clean League, Swachh Sarvekshan, 2024-25? Answer: Indore and Surat. The question is, the 16th census has been announced to be conducted in which year? Answer: 2027. The question is, what initiative has been launched for tribal students of Eklavya Model Residential Schools? Answer: Talash, Tribal Aptitude Life Skills and Self-Esteem Hub. The question is, which policy was approved by the Union Cabinet on 1st July 2025 to replace the National Sports Policy, 2001? Answer: Khelo India Policy 2025. The question is, when will the Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE, start the biennial examination system for Class 10? Answer: from the academic session 2026. The question is, which book was launched by Amit Shah on the 50th anniversary of emergency? Answer: The Emergency Diaries. The question is, which state has released the first yoga policy in the country? Answer: Uttarakhand. The question is, what is the name of India's first of its kind indigenously developed government-funded AI-based multimodal large language model, LML? Answer, Bharat Jain. The question is, which state recorded the lowest sex ratio at birth, 891, according to the Civil Registration System, 2022? Answer, Bihar. The question is, according to the river dolphin census in India, which state has the highest number of river dolphins? Answer, Uttar Pradesh. The question is, which will be the first American university to establish an independent campus in India? Answer, Illinois Institute of Technology, Chicago, USA. The question is, who has launched India's first hydrogen fuel cell powered truck? Answer, Adani Enterprises. The question is, according to the latest calculations, what is the total length of India's coastline? Answer, 11,098.81 kilometers. The question is, which manuscripts of two Indian classical works have been included in UNESCO's Memory of the World Register? Answer, Natyashastra and Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The question is, who became the first woman pilot in the Jaguar fighter squadron? Answer, Tanushka. The question is, which bank installed India's first ATM in a train, Panchvati Express? Answer, Bank of Maharashtra. The question is, which state topped the Fiscal Health Index released by Niti Aayog? Answer, Odisha. The question is, who has become the richest woman in India? Answer, Roshni Nadar. The question is, who has been appointed as the Goodwill Ambassador of Vision 2020 India? Answer, Krishnamachari Shrikant. The question is, who was announced by Levi's as its new global brand ambassador, becoming the first Punjabi artist on board? Answer, Diljit Dosanjh. The question is, where has India's first AI-powered solar manufacturing unit been launched by Union Minister Prahlad Joshi? Answer, Surat, Gujarat. The question is, by what percentage has the central government increased the salaries, allowances and pensions of MPs and former MPs? Answer, 24%. The question is, by launching an electronic personal license for pilots, India became which country in the world to do so? Answer, second. The question is, what did Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh inaugurate at Mausam Bhavan on the 150th anniversary of the IMD? Answer, India's first open-air art wall museum. The question is, the Piprava relics brought to India after 127 years were discovered in which year? Answer, 1898 AD. The question is, in Swachh Sarvekshan 2024-25, which city topped the Super Clean League for cities with a population of 3 to 10 lakh? Answer, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The question is, the Maratha military landscapes included in the UNESCO World Heritage List span across which states? Answer: Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. The question is, where was the 75th Pradhan Mantri Divyasha Kendra inaugurated? Answer: Government Medical College, Badon, Uttar Pradesh. The question is, who became the first person from the Central Industrial Security Force, CISF, to reach Mount Everest? Answer: Geeta Samota. The question is, the Election Commission has reduced the maximum number of voters at a polling station from 1500 to how many? Answer: 1200. The question is, which book was released to celebrate the 50th anniversary of India's 1975 Hockey World Cup win? Answer: March of Glory. The question is, Indian Railways decided to join which mission to tackle the water crisis? Answer: Mission Amrit Sarovar. The question is, with whom has the Ministry of Consumer Affairs partnered for the Be a Strong Consumer campaign? Answer: Meta. The question is, which anti-Naxal operation was launched by the security forces on the Chhattisgarh-Telangana border? Answer: Operation Black Forest. The question is, what is the full form of APAR? Answer: Automated Permanent Academic Account Registry. The question is, where was the session of the 11th Asia Pacific MedTech Forum, APAC-Med, 2025 held? Answer: New Delhi. The question is, what initiative did the Civil Aviation Minister K. Ramamohan Naidu launch at airports across the country? Answer: Passenger Service Day. The question is, which services did Indian Railways start in North India? Answer: Commodity-specific designated carriers. The question is, where was the India International Rice Conference 2025 organized? Answer: Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. The question is, which Independence Day celebration of India was held on 15th August 2025? Answer: 79th. The question is, which new energy policy did India announce in August 2025 that promotes renewable energy production? Answer: National Renewable Energy Policy 2025. The question is, the India Electric Mobility Index, EMI, was launched by which organization? Answer: Niti Aayog. The question is, where was the 4th Adi Karmayogi Regional Process Laboratory, RPL, inaugurated? Answer: Bhubaneswar. The question is, where were the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd Adi Karmayogi Regional Process Laboratories inaugurated respectively? Answer: Bengaluru, Bhopal, Dehradun. The question is, where was the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association organized by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla? Answer: Tapovan of Dharmashala. The question is, the Election Commission of India amended the guidelines of which rule to make the EVM ballot paper more readable? Answer: Conduct of Elections Rules, 1961. The question is, where was the BIMSTEC Ports Conference held? Answer: Vishakhapatnam. The question is, which program was launched by the Ministry of Mines to align the DMF initiatives with the ADP and ABP? Answer: Aspiring DMF program. The question is, where were the Piprava relics related to Lord Buddha originally discovered? Answer: Stupa Siddharthanagar, Uttar Pradesh. The question is, where did Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurate the All India Education Conference 2025? Answer: Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. The question is, at which place did PM Narendra Modi address the Adi Thiruvdirai festival to honor Chola Emperor Rajendra Chola I? Answer: Gangaikonda Cholpuram, Tamil Nadu. The question is, Banaras Locomotive Works has produced the 2500th electric engine of which category? Answer: VAP7, 6000 HP. The question is, where is the first campus of the Indian Institute of Creative Technology, IICT, established? Answer: Mumbai. The question is, where did PM Modi lay the foundation stone of Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited's city gas distribution project? Answer: Bankura and Purulia districts. The question is, in how many districts was approval given to implement the Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana? Answer: 100 districts. The question is, which 4 members were nominated by President Draupadi Murmu to the Rajya Sabha? Answer: Ujjwal Nikam, Meenakshi Jain, Harshvardhan Shringla, C. Sadanandan Master. The question is, where was the One District One Product, ODOP, 2024 award ceremony held? Answer: New Delhi. The question is, which states won the category A Gold Award for ODOP? Answer: Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Punjab, and Uttar Pradesh. The question is, a commemorative postage stamp was issued as part of preliminary programs to celebrate whose 125th birth anniversary? Answer: Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. The question is, where has the state-of-the-art Phenome India National Biobank been inaugurated? Answer: CSIR Egypt, Delhi. The question is, apart from CBSE and higher education departments, representatives from which institutions are included in the Vineet Joshi panel? Answer: IIT Madras, Trichy, Kanpur and Insert. The question is, where was India's largest automobile Gati Shakti cargo terminal inaugurated? Answer: Maruti Suzuki, Manesar. The question is, which facility of Garuda Aerospace was inaugurated by Union Minister Kamlesh Paswan? Answer: Agri-Drone Indigenization Facility. The question is, where did the Quality Council of India, QCI, organize World Accreditation Day 2025? Answer: India Habitat Center, New Delhi. The question is, which book did cricketer Shikhar Dhawan release? Answer: The One, Cricket, My Life and More. The question is, which Indian institute has been ranked at the top in the World University Rankings 2026? Answer: IIT Delhi, 123rd rank. The question is, on which death anniversary did Prime Minister Narendra Modi pay tribute to Lord Birsa Munda? Answer: 125th. The question is, where was the National Turmeric Board headquarters inaugurated? Answer: Nizamabad, Telangana. The question is, where did the International Potato Center, CIP, announce the establishment of its South Asia Regional Center? Answer: Singna, Agra, Uttar Pradesh.